see about the boys a little while.
Remind you that your flight attendant's primary responsibility is your safety and your security. With that being said, at this time we'll deliver your safety demonstration. We do require that you remove all headsets or turn all headsets off. Phones should be in airplane mode, as your safety demonstration is very important to you and for those around you. Welcome aboard.
Welcome to your American Airlines flight, on its way to one of our many destinations.
I thought you was gone for a while.
This man is the truth. This man is the truth. He runs shit around here.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, one more time. Happy
Send love letters to the brothers and sisters. Them a talk how I can't get the daughter. But see they know I knock the dreadlocks take over. She loves me now. Boy, she loves me now. She loves me now. Whoa. She want a man that's fit with ambition. One who'll sit down and set up for that. The future is secure for all life long. She want a good life. A man to cause her pain and strife. She say she want a good life. A man to cause her pain and strife. Well, she is a sweeter than Cleopatra. She's got style, she's got class. Any man would want to pass, but oh no. She says she want a good life, a man to cause her pain and strife. She want a good life, a man to cause her pain and strife.
When you come in, this is the sculpture that's there. Picture it. It's 1:15. It's 90 degrees here in Montego Bay. And we can't check into our room until 3 o'clock. So I'm still dressed like I live in the East Coast, because I do, where it was 40-some degrees. Sweatshirt, jeans, socks, and everything. You see this sun beaming? You see this sun beaming? And I gotta be in this stuff, in this gear, until 3 o'clock when we can check in our room. Listen, we've been here since 9:30 this morning. 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. And it's hot. And ain't nothing we could do till 3 o'clock. But nonetheless, we made it here. We are in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And we are going to have an amazing time. I will vlog throughout the travel. And of course, when you guys see this, I'll be home. So, enjoy. So I'm in one of the restaurants on the campus or the resort, and tonight is Jamaican night. So all of the food, they had ackee and saltfish, they had curried goat, curried pork, curried beef, oxtails, everything, curry, everything, jerk, everything. I almost thought they had jerk jello, but they didn't. But I tried ackee and saltfish for the first time. I wasn't a fan. The consistency to me was like scrambled eggs, and I like my eggs scrambled hard. They were not. It was very, very soft and light. I didn't care too much for it. The saltfish was good though, and peppers and everything. But I'm having an amazing time. There's an all-white party tonight on the beach, so I'm definitely going to be a part of that, my husband and I. And it was fun so far. We're looking forward to having a hell of a lot more fun. We got a few more days here, and I'll be back with you.
Ladies, are you ready right now? Check. Okay, my party people. What about somebody just in the mix?
It's my birthday!
Let's go. Remember, it's Easter.
And my nephew. Baby. Huh? Hi.
But if you know what life is worth, you would look for yours on earth. So now you feel that what you're gonna
Okay, our room was upgraded because it needed to be. Because when you came in, well, the AC stopped working. There were just a lot of things that were going on. So we got to upgrade. This is what the new room looks like. Okay, when you come in, there's the door. When you come in, immediately, you have your closets. You have your safe. Plenty of space. Oh, there is a blanket. I'm gonna use that. An umbrella, an ironing board, your hangers, and those aren't the hangers that they have the hooks on so that, you know, as if somebody's gonna steal it. This is the bathing area. Double sinks, really nice lit vanity, blow dryer, because some people use it. I love these mirrors, because I do. Beautiful wall accents, stuff like that. You have your basic water closet, that's there. And then you have your shower, beautiful rain shower with the extended clip, I like to call it. And the frosted glass, it's really nice, really elegant. Full-size mirror, that's me, I know you're loving it. And then we're coming through here, and here is lovely room decor, everything like that. That's the room. And let me show you, this is dresser, television. I don't own the rights to that. The little sitting area over here, little credenza. It's got the little reading lamp and clothing and stuff that we just got laid out. And your balcony, let's see what we got here. Come on. All right, we are outside in beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. They're having karaoke in one of the lounges, and it's beautiful. Clearly you can't see the Caribbean Sea or Caribbean Sea because it's nighttime, but we are facing it in this beautiful resort called the Grand Bahia Principe. It's really, really nice. Yeah, that's what I got for you as far as the room tour is concerned. So I'm going to continue to enjoy the night. Today we did, as you saw, some things on the catamaran, some snorkeling and just swimming in the Caribbean or Caribbean Sea, and climbed up the mountain and the waterfalls. So tomorrow we are going to be doing some more adventures. We're going to do either some of us are doing ATVs and some of us are doing the dune buggies. My husband and myself, we're doing the dune buggies. So looking forward to getting really dirty, really exhausted and hot, but ultimately having a wonderful time. So my husband and I, like I said, are having a marvelous time. And oh, the balcony curves around. Look at that. It's an L-shaped balcony, almost like a wraparound porch, which is my favorite. But nonetheless, oh, I think it's a salamander on the wall. Let me go in the room and close the damn door. Anyway, hold on, what's this? Wait a minute. Yeah, that's a salamander, right? Anyway, that's it for the tour. I'm about to go back in here and shut it down for the night. And thank you all so much. And you'll see more information or more video as we do more activities. Peace.